In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Chrome your default browser. If you've ever clicked a link in an email and had it open in a browser you don't use, this quick walkthrough will fix that. Setting Chrome as your default means any web link you open from other apps will launch in Chrome automatically, and common web files will be handled by Chrome too. Start by going to the Windows search, which sits right next to the Start menu on your taskbar. Give it a click to bring up the search box. This is the fastest way to jump straight into the right settings without digging through menus. Type default apps into the search box, then open the result that appears in settings. You'll land on the default apps page, which is where Windows decides which app handles things like email, maps, music, photos, and, of course, your web browsing. We're going to point all the relevant web links and file types to Chrome with just one action. Once you're on the default apps page, scroll through the list of installed apps until you find Google Chrome, then click it. This opens Chrome's default screen. You'll see a list of web-related link types and file types, such as HTTP, HTTPS, and common web pages like .html and .html. You don't need to worry about changing each one manually. Windows provides a single streamlined option at the top. At the top of this screen, click the button that says Make Google Chrome your default browser. That's the one-click way to set Chrome for all the typical web link types at once. Windows may briefly confirm the change, and then you're done. From now on, when you click a link in your email, chat, or documents, it will open directly in Chrome, and web files on your computer will use Chrome by default as well. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't immediately see Chrome in the apps list, scroll a bit slower or use the alphabetical order as your guide. If Chrome is missing entirely, it usually means it isn't installed or Windows hasn't registered it yet, and a quick restart can help refresh the list. If the button at the top isn't available, it can be due to policy settings on work or school devices, in which case your administrator controls defaults. That's all it takes. With Chrome set as your default, your browsing becomes more consistent and efficient across Windows. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the seamless experience of opening every link in the browser you prefer.